Hi guys, Chris from Bish's RV. I am really excited to show you this 2019 Forest River FR3 29DS. It's really a fantastic layout, and this one's under $70,000 on sale. We marked 20 grand off of it to move it quickly. If you've got a family and you need to sleep a couple extra people and you want something that's a little on the shorter side, this might be the one for you. Let me show it to you. It's really great. What you're going to notice is that above the cab we have a bunk bed. There's a ladder that goes there so people can climb up, and so there's plenty of room here for folks to sleep. If you don't need this for storage or for extra sleeping, you press this button and up it goes, and it gets out of your way so that you can just move in and out of the cockpit without hitting your head or having to worry about that. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. And so it's a neat feature right there. You're also going to notice that there's plenty of room in the cockpit area. There's a little place in between the two seats where you can put a table. And those chairs, of course, turn around to give you a little extra seating. Now, just like a lot of motorhomes that have been used and loved, full disclosure, there is some damage on this sofa. But for the $20,000 we are throwing away on this thing, you can do whatever you want to. You can buy a new sofa. 20 grand pays for a lot of furniture. So if that's a problem, that's easily fixable. But everything else on this unit is in great shape. You've got a really nice dinette here that sleeps extra people as well. You've got a TV that everyone can see from this area. And looking into this kitchen, 3-burner stove and oven. You've got double sinks. A lot of people really request double sinks because I think they like to wash and rinse and have a little more room to do the dishes, which is really a good thing. You do have a nice big microwave up here and plenty of storage. And you're going to notice right in here is your bathroom. So you've got a shower, medicine cabinet, sink, plenty of room in there to do everything you need to do. And look how huge this fridge is. Double doors. And you have double freezer. One of the things I like about these Norcolds is that they're recessed up here. So if something melts like a bag of ice, all the water doesn't go dripping out when you open the doors. It'll stay in here and you can get a towel and clean that up. I think that's a really nice feature. Moving right along to the main bedroom, a really fantastic memory foam, comfortable pillow top mattress. You have cabinets on both sides right here for closets, and this does have the ability to put in washer and dryer here as well. And here's your little table right here that goes in between the front chairs. And of course you've got a bunch of extra storage in here all the way down below. There's a lot of storage in this bedroom and a really nice Furion TV. This gives you pretty much everything you need to take the family out. Heck, you'll sleep 7 people. If you got grandkids, probably a lot more, because a lot of kids fit in a little space like this table that makes into a bed. But you know, there are Class C motorhomes that are more expensive than this. Getting a Class A for under $70,000 right now, this is a steal for a 2019. It's priced to move really quickly, and I would love to be able to help you and your family get into this or any of the great coaches that we have here at Bish's RV. If you can give me a jingle on my personal cell phone, my number is 541-636-7878, and I would love to talk to you and see if we can't help you get to camping.